Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 114 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. You can also complain, you can compliment crew, you can do a lot of stuff on there. We focus on the questions. So we read the questions, take the funny, the weird, the cool, the myths, and we put them here for you so you're not reading 1,000 questions. On today's episode, we are talking about Faster to the Fun is sold out, a cruise of just East Coast U.S. ports, walkie-talkies on board, pin trading, and AA meetings. All right, question one. This cruiser is cruising in 3 weeks on the Mardi Gras. Love that ship. They have always purchased Faster to the Fun, and sadly, it was not available for this cruise. They wondered if Carnival will ever issue more or do additional ones, or if somebody cancels, does that Faster to the Fun go back to the top and somebody can book it? John said he's afraid it's most likely full, and it's most likely there's not going to be any more. You can keep checking just in case there are some cancellations, but it's not likely. He did say, though, you will get on the ship pretty quick, and normally you do. So even if you don't have Faster to the Fun, they've been getting much more efficient on getting people on the ship. As long as the people getting off the ship do what the hell they're supposed to do to get off the ship. Just saying. Question two. This cruiser asked if Carnival will ever do a cruise of just the East Coast of the United States. They see cruises listed as New England and Canada, but the only ports listed are Canadian. So why have so many ports on the East Coast and not have an opportunity to see them? John said, no, it's not possible because the Jones Act restricts this. It's an act passed in the U.S. Congress, which basically says every cruise ship leaving an American home port has to dock in at least one foreign port. I would like to know what the hell the rationale behind that is. Why? I personally don't get it. But if you wanted to cruise from Miami to Charleston to Boston and then back down, you can't. Jones Act prohibits it. So if you like going to foreign ports, you have to. So enjoy it. Speaking of if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser asked if there are any restrictions for walkie-talkies on board. I still see families using them to this day. We had them back in the day, and they were pretty cool. John said as long as they are the normal standard walkie-talkies. If they have multiple channels like VHF, the weather and stuff like that, you can't use them because the ships on open water operate on VHF. That's how they communicate. So it may interfere with the ship's communications. So standard walkie-talkies, boop, how you doing? Boop, I'm at the casino. You? Boop, I'm at the casino. Where you at? Boop, oh, the casino. Oh, you're right there. There we are. Those are fine. No VHF though. Question four. This cruiser wanted to know if Carnival is ever going to participate in a pin trading like they do on Disney. This cruiser said they thought it would be pretty cool. John said they have absolutely no plans of doing this. Personally, I've never heard of it myself, of pin trading. I don't go on Disney. A, no casino. B, kids. C, no casino. So, no, not going on Disney. But if you join a Facebook group, which we pretty much always do for a cruise, there's always some sort of shot glass trading, postcards, a lot of different things they do on the Facebook group. So if you like the pin trading, maybe see if you can start your own little pin trading meetup on a Facebook group. Never know. Might work for you. Last question. This cruiser is sailing on the Vista in August. This will be their family's first cruise, but their second. They were wondering, is there going to be any sort of AA meetings on the ship during their sailing? John said, yes, there are. They are advertised in the fun time under the premise of Friends of Bill W. I think it's great that they have these on the boat, because if you're in recovery and you need that support group, it's on the boat. The odd part is, a lot of times they're held at bars on the boat. The bars are closed during the meetings because it's normally in the morning and they'll do it at a bar that's not open, but it is kind of weird that they have an AA meeting at a bar. Just saying. But at least they're having them. So if you want an AA meeting, they are on every ship. Friends of Bill W. That's been episode 114 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.